If you want to change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut Desktop for free, this quick guide will show you the fastest way to do it. Whether you're making a YouTube video, a short, a TikTok, or an Instagram post, changing the ratio helps your video fit the platform perfectly and look much more professional. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and import the video you want to edit. You can do this by dragging your file into the project or by using the import option in CapCut. Once your video is in the media library, drag it down onto the editing timeline. This is the important step that lets you actually work on the project and adjust the frame size. Now look directly below the preview window. On the bottom right area under the player, you'll see a button that says Ratio. In many cases, it will be set to Original by default. This means the project is currently using the same aspect ratio as your source video, but you can change it in just a couple of clicks. Click the Ratio button to open the drop-down menu. CapCut will show you a list of preset formats, and this is where you can choose the best one for your platform. If you're editing a standard YouTube video, select 16:9. That gives you the classic widescreen format most viewers expect on desktop and TV. If you're creating content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, choose 9:16. This is the vertical format that fills a phone screen and is ideal for short-form content. If you're posting to Instagram feed, you can also choose 1:1 or 4:5, depending on the style you want and how much screen space you want to take up in the feed. Once you select your ratio, CapCut will instantly change the project frame. But here's something important. If your original footage doesn't match the new aspect ratio, you may see black bars or empty space around the video. That does not mean anything is broken, it just means the video needs to be resized to fit the new frame. To fix that, click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. Then go to the top right panel and look for the Basic section. Inside Basic, you'll find the Scale slider. Move the slider to zoom the video in until it fills the frame the way you want. If needed, you can also reposition the clip slightly so the most important part of the video stays centered. This is especially useful when converting a horizontal video into a vertical format, because you may need to crop in tighter to keep the subject visible. A small adjustment here can make a big difference in how clean and professional your final video looks. A good tip is to preview the video after changing the ratio and scaling it. Watch a few seconds to make sure nothing important is cut off, the subject is centered properly, and the frame looks natural. If something feels off, go back and adjust the scale a little more until it looks right. So, to quickly recap, the process is simple. Import your video, drag it to the timeline, click Ratio below the preview window, choose the format you need, and then use the Scale slider in the Basic panel to fit the footage to the new frame. That's how you change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut Desktop for free. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and one of the most useful things to know if you want to repurpose videos for different platforms. If this helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.